Are you tired of dealing with dull, lifeless hair? If you have hard water at home, you might struggle with some serious buildup. Stick around because today we are diving into the best shampoos to help you remove that buildup and restore your hair shine. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Clarifying shampoos for hard water are specially formulated to remove the buildup of minerals and residues from the hair and scalp caused by hard water. Hard water contains high levels of minerals like calcium and magnesium, which can accumulate on the hair over time, leading to dullness, dryness, and difficulty in managing the hair. For detail about what causes these minerals to build up, how is shower water making you bald, and how to test your shower water has hard water, you can click the link above and I will also share the link in the description. Moving on, how clarifying shampoos work for hard water. 1. Chelating agents. These shampoos often contain chelating agents, such as EDTA ethylene diamine tetracetic acid, that bind to the minerals in hard water and remove them from the hair. 2. Deep cleansing. Clarifying shampoos have strong cleansing agents compared to regular shampoos, which help to thoroughly cleanse the hair and scalp, removing any buildup of minerals. Styling products and oils. 3. pH balancing. Some clarifying shampoos are also formulated to balance the pH of the scalp and hair, which is disrupted by the high mineral content in hard water. Benefits of using clarifying shampoos for hard water. Benefit 1. Removes mineral buildup. Helps eliminate the dulling and drying effects of hard water by removing mineral deposits from the hair. Benefit 2. Restore shine and softness by removing the buildup. These shampoos can restore the natural shine, softness, and manageability of the hair. Benefit 3. Improves effectiveness of other products after using a clarifying shampoo. Conditioners and other hair treatments can penetrate the hair more effectively, enhancing their benefits. Now, list of top clarifying shampoos for hard water. We have ranked clarifying shampoos in our empirical research. Here is our top 7 list. Number 1. Kenra Clarifying Shampoo, known for its ability to remove up to 90% of residue left by shampoos, conditioners, and styling products. Number 2. Malibu Sea Hard Water Wellness Shampoo, specifically designed to combat the effects of hard water, with chelating agents that remove mineral buildup. Number 3. Neutrogena Anti-Residue Shampoo. The mild formula of this gentle cleansing shampoo is non-irritating and works to remove buildup. Designed for all hair types. Number 4. Brocato Peppermint Scrub Purifying Shampoo provides a deep clean without drying out hair. A clarifying formula that removes buildup. Refreshing and invigorating scent awakens hair follicles. Number 5. Paul Mitchell Shampoo 3. Clarifying Shampoo deep cleans hair and removes chlorine. Vegan, paraben-free. Number 6. Neutrogena T-Gel Therapeutic Shampoo. Original therapeutic formula helps control scalp itching and flaking caused by chronic scalp psoriasis, seborrheic dermatitis, and even common dandruff. Number 7. Bumble and Bumble Sunday Shampoo helps removes unwanted oil and washes away buildup that can weigh hair down. Next is how to use. Frequency. Clarifying shampoos are typically used once a week or once in 2 weeks, depending on how much buildup you experience. Using them too often can strip the hair of its natural oils, leading to dryness. Follow with conditioner after using a clarifying shampoo. It is important to follow up with a good conditioner or deep conditioning treatment to replenish moisture. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related videos.